When the region's first hospital, the Finley Home for Friendless Women and Children, opened its doors in 1891, the founders made a commitment to the community to provide health care to generations of families. Several years later, the present site of Blanchard Valley Hospital was purchased for $10,000. Through local bond issues and contributions, eventually a 170-bed hospital was completed and dedicated. As the community needs increased, Blanchard Valley Hospital continued to grow. Improvements included an emergency department, surgical suites, ambulatory services, and much more. However, bricks and mortar were not the only contributions. The hospital also needed staff to care for patients and began recruiting healthcare providers for open positions. These new hires directly impacted the economic development of the region. Today, Blanchard Valley employs more than 3,000 associates. The forefathers of the development could never have imagined being the predecessors for today's Blanchard Valley Health System. The organization has grown from a single hospital to a comprehensive health system, offering a full continuum of care. Over the years, technology has greatly changed, moving from simple instruments and testing to electronic medical records, surgical robots, and advanced imaging. Clinical research has created best practices in providing safe and efficient patient care. Here, teams are using these practices to offer the highest quality of care possible to all who enter our doors. So much has changed for us since 1891. What hasn't changed is our reason for being here. The hospital was originally formed to provide a vital service to Findlay area residents. Doctors and nurses were caring for their friends and neighbors. That is still what we're doing today. Findlay, Ohio is a very special place. Blanchard Valley Health System has found a home in the sprawling landscape of Northwest Ohio. A nonprofit organization, BVHS is governed by a community board of trustees. This structure ensures each member has a personal investment in the decisions made throughout the organization. Blanchard Valley is an independent health system, which means we have no owners or shareholders. We reinvest hospital earnings back into our local communities through improved access to expanded healthcare services, advanced technologies, and recruitment of top talent as one of the area's largest employers. Our vision, extraordinary people, exceptional care, encapsulates the Blanchard Valley culture. Our physicians, clinical staff, and associates all hold the common goal of providing the highest quality care to our community. Numerous awards have been won for elite patient care. Competing nationally to measure our service excellence, Blanchard Valley has been the recipient of multiple awards for Top 100 Hospitals, Best Nursing Home, Elite Safety Grades, and more. Blanchard Valley continues to grow. Currently, the system serves an 8-county area, including Hancock, Allen, Putnam, Henry, Wood, Seneca, Wyandotte, and Hardin. However, the service areas continue to expand as the need for better healthcare access is identified. By joining regional partners, Blanchard Valley Health System routinely participates in community health needs assessments to determine the true needs of the people who are being served. In an effort to keep the promise made decades ago, BVHS makes access to healthcare a priority. Health system medical practices dot the region as specialists rotate through communities to bring care to the doors of the people. Blanchard Valley remains committed to education and encourages and supports the pursuit of healthcare careers. We support our local colleges and universities through active intern and job shadow programs. Additionally, we offer clinical experiences for a number of healthcare professions. With an eye on growth, BVHS leaders strategically plan for the next generation. The responsibility is passed from one trailblazer to the next as the path to elite healthcare is paved. The mission of the organization, caring for a lifetime, sets a tone for the decision-making. Blanchard Valley Health System is prepared to be there with the right care, in the right place, at the right time. The promise continues. We're here for you.